Look at that one.
500 on the 85.
Are you going to add intercooler piping
You bet.
before or
That's
after
the
you
next
make
step.
this power?
That's the next step.
Perfect. Okay, what are we doing?
So today we are mocking up the downpipe, putting the turbo on, putting the exhaust manifold on. Again, downpipe, waste pipe.
So you have turbo manifold, turbo,
Yep.
wastegate,
Yep.
downpipe with the wrong flange,
Yep.
and then connected to the cat area is the plan?
Make a test pipe.
Maybe.
The cat.
Okay, here we go. So in a nutshell, you got that, and that needs to be changed to that. So we're gonna put everything on and mock it up, and then do that. Yay?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Look at that one. What is that, an inch, you think?
Probably.
Yeah. The rest looks like a poo-poo, but you won't see it.
Why is your car so heavy? Is it here? It might be. Here.
What? How come you got a turbo on here, but no intercooler piping?
Well, I'm trying to run like you. I want to run the biggest downpipe.
Yeah, but mine makes boost. How are you gonna make boost with no connection?
Well, I guess I'm not making boost then.
That would be the correct answer. Okay, so we cocked that a little bit and then added that delicious junkyard pipe and then cut that flange off, added that one. And then, I don't even want to show them underneath. It got a little wonky. Little test pipe here to replace the cat for temporary power gains and such. What turbo is that?
That is the GTX 3582R.
From PFI Speed?
From PFI.
It says it on there, don't it?
Sure does.
PFI! Cool, and then you did a Vitara build?
Yep, Vitara pistons, the speed factory, no notch rods, ARP studs, stock head.
King Racing bearings.
And then you said you want to make like 4-ish on pump and then 5-ish on the 85.
We're shooting around 400 on pump and then 450, 500 on the 85.
Are you going to add intercooler piping
You bet.
before or
That's
after
the
you
next
make
step.
this power?
That's the next step.
And then we're not done with this, but we got to kind of tilt this a little more and mount it over here to make room for that. Well, actually, where it sits is pretty good, yeah? We just basically need to make mounts for it.
Yep.
Cool beans. So now we get to take everything off and put it back to stock so you can drive it home.
Yeah.
Till next time.
Yeah, it was a fun mock-up party.
That's right.
Nothing fit, so it took extra long, but now we're done.
Oh, that does impact crashes really well.
Oh, dude, you're done.
Why? Huh?
It's not happening.
No, that's okay.
not happening.
I've broken styrofoam before. This is some
Yeah.
Japanese grade.
It's Canadian, bro.
Oh, that hurts. Okay. Maybe down. Maybe it'll hurt less now on my face.
Yeah, maybe.
No, I don't feel confident. Wow, I don't even know if my knee. I don't even think my knee could do that.
Oh!
All right, so no one wins in a headbutt. That's what we learned.
Yeah. Oh yes, it's sitting quite nicely. Your side too?
Oh, yeah.
So that car is, so we got to do oil, or they got to do, I don't know what's going on, but oil for the turbo, wire some gauges, do a couple other little things, and then it's going to go up to PFI to get tuned by Brent. So keep an eye out for that. If I have any more updates on it, I'll let you know. But until next time, thank you for watching, and we'll see you later.